Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Auth0 rules for mobile roles and permissions, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Auth0 dashboard. Navigate to the Rules section found in the left sidebar. Click on the Create Rule button. Select the empty rule template to start with a blank slate. Give your new rule a descriptive name relevant to mobile roles and permissions. In the code editor, begin by defining the roles you want to associate with your mobile applications. You can create a simple array that lists all the roles, such as admin, user, and editor. Next, retrieve the user's profile by accessing the user object provided in the context. Add logic to check for specific conditions that determine what roles a user should have. Consider utilizing user metadata to add custom roles based on their profile. You can write a conditional statement to check if the user has a specific attribute that should grant them a role. After establishing the roles, use the context.accessToken object to add roles to the token. Utilize the context.accessToken roles property to assign the roles to the user. Make sure to stringify the roles if necessary to ensure proper formatting. Test your rules by simulating logins using users with varying roles in your Auth0 dashboard. Monitor the logs to verify that roles are being correctly assigned. Adjust your rule as needed to refine role assignments based on user feedback or testing. Save the rule and ensure it is enabled within your Auth0 settings. Once saved, you can exit the editor and return to the rules list. Now, you can implement the roles and permissions in your mobile application. Make sure to update your mobile app logic to read the roles from the access token. Utilize these roles to manage user permissions and access to different features within the app. Periodically review and update your rules as your application and user roles evolve. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.